How's it going? This is DJ with Social Media Cowboys, and we're just going to make a little tutorial video today to teach you how to go into your Google My Business page and look at your insights or edit some of the basic things that can help you be more visible on Google. So the first thing you want to do is go to business.google.com. So you'll do that. And what it'll bring you to is your locations. So if it's just your one business, you'll click on that. We're going to use the example with the backyard bar, stage, and grill today. So if you're the only manager of your business, there should only be one there. If you have multiple or whatever, there'll be multiple ones. But what you'll do when you get in here is see the dashboard of the page, of your business page, which can let you, everybody's will be different depending on how big or how small your business is, or how big and small your Google My Business pages. Some people, if you haven't done it yet, a lot of times they'll give you free credit to use for ads. That's totally up to you. Afterwards, you'll get that free $100, but afterwards, they'll ask you to pay for it if you want to continue doing it. But anyways, today we're going to look at the insights. So you get a quick little look here at the top. You can see your views, how many people searched, and this fluctuates every month. You'll go up and down and up and down. So you can see on activity, the calls are up 16%, photo views are up, direction requests are down, and it fluctuates time of year, just everything. But you can look at a quick glance right here. If you want to look farther into it, here on the left hand side, you can click on Insights, and this will bring you into a more in-depth view that you can sort by week, month, or quarter. Depending on how you want to look at it. So if you want to look at it on a monthly basis, you can just hit that button. And direct means those are people that directly came and typed in the name of your business. Discovery are people who typed in, a category or a product or a service that you provide, not necessarily your business name. And then branded is, customers who found your listing for a brand related to your business, so something that's closely related to your type of business. Then you can see, if you hover over these things, so like discovery, these are like brand new people. You can see how many people found you that way. You can see how many people found you directly, and found you through the branded. The second little part is queries. So like when someone typed in a restaurant, so for example, we're using this as an example, it would be different for your business, but for a restaurant, they typed in restaurants, or restaurants near me, or restaurants in Waco restaurants, etc. And it'll show you how many people on the right hand side typed in for that particular search. So that kind of helps you know, hey, this many people are finding us through this or this or this, etc. The third one would be people that actually viewed your business on Google. So maps, most people search on maps, so Google Maps on their phone, or Google Maps on the computer, or whatever, or through just the regular search. So you can kind of see quarterly, monthly, weekly. Oh, I think I glitched it. Nice. Let me refresh. Okay, so weekly's glitched out for some reason. So you can come down here and just see, kind of follow and see what the trends are. And this one's pretty consistent. This one's always pretty consistent. So customer interactions would be the fourth one. And so that will break it down by people who visit your website, people who request directions, and people who called you. Same thing. Each one of these little boxes you can sort by weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Next one would be direction requests, so you can see if you have a type of business where people actually come to your business, this will pertain to you. But if not, if you're just a service area or you go to them or whatever, then your numbers for this part will probably be 0. But this just shows you what zip codes are the most popular for coming to your area, so you can tell right by the restaurant, for example, right there has the most, which of course that's true. The next would be phone calls, so you can come and see how many people call your business, which day is the most popular. Just by hovering over it, you can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. If you're closed on days, you know, those won't show up. But if you're like a Monday through Friday, you can see and you can be like, all right, so this many people are searching for me on this particular day, and that can also help you with stuff, your advertising as well. What your business is known for. So key attributes. This part doesn't always show up for everybody. This just depends on the business you have, mostly for like restaurants or service oriented. Certain industries it will not show up at all. So if it's not there, don't worry about it. That just means it doesn't pertain to your business. But so this can break you down so you can kind of get an idea of what demographic of people come to your uh, uh, restaurant or business or whatever. Same thing. A lot of these, like I know these two, if you don't actually serve people at your business, they won't show up. So again, it just depends on what type of business you have. So on this one, it'll show you the most popular times on, you can pick a day and see, so we'll go Friday, and you can see what times are the most popular for that day. Photo views, so over here on the left hand side there's actually a section for photos where you can add your own photos of you or your business or your logo or just whatever. Um, and then also if it's a place, depending on the business, if it's a restaurant or something like that, customers can add photos as well, and that helps boost your Google My Business a lot. So you can see how many people uh, are actually looking at the photos, and then it'll kind of compare you to other businesses that are like you, so you can see if you're beating them or better than them or worse or just whatever. And then this one doesn't show up. So that's a quick way to look at the insights of your Google My Business. It helps a lot, like if you're running Google ads or you're running, you know, certain ads for Google My Business page. This will help you know, all right, these are the keywords people are finding. This is how many people are finding me directly. How many people are finding us just by typing something in the search. Again, you can look at it on the home. You can see a quick glance on the home dashboard, which will give you like a percentage from the month before and then this month. And then if you're going to dive deeper into it, you click on Insights, and then you can look at it exactly the way I showed you. Hope that helps you understand where and how to view the insights on your Google My Business page.